जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 5th श्लोक। श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा answering Arjuna's questions now. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, your births are real, my births are real. You have passed so many births so far. I too have passed so many births. You know what, Arjuna, I remember all of my births, all of your births and everyone's births, but you don't remember, you can't remember." Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma answering Arjuna's questions. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacha Arjuna tanyaham veda sarvani natvam vetha parantapa. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, perform all your activities as my service, surrender to me alone unconditionally, do not cry, keep on remembering my teachings every day, keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall perform all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava." श्रीमद्भागवतम। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमद्भागवतम। निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुकमहर्षि। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Suka Yogindra saying to Parikshit Narendra like this. "O Parikshit Narendra," Chaturmukha Brahma answering to Narada Maharshi like this and saying that, "O Narada, this entire Srishti, Paramatma Srimannarayana is the inner force to this entire, inner power to this entire Srishti. As an Antaryami, he is the one who is making sure this Srishti is existing. Narayana Paraveda Deva Narayanam Gajaha Narayana Paraloka Narayana Paramakhaha. Oh Narada, Narayana, Srimannarayana is the main reason for Vedas. His breath itself is Vedam. Those Vedas are presenting Srimannarayana only. Those Vedas discloses Indra and other Devatas. All those Devatas are like body parts of Srimannarayana. All these worlds, the master for this all the worlds is Srimannarayana. Oh Narada, Narayana Paro Yogo, Narayana Param Tapaha, Narayana Param Jnanam, Narayana Paragatihi. There are so many different procedures and different ways to perform yajnas, meditation and kratus. From all those, by all those different procedures, the only one who is worshipped is Srimannarayana. Even yoga abhyasam, whoever does yoga abhyasam, what they attain, they attain Srimannarayana only. All the tapasyas, all the activities, all the karmas, from all of them, by all of them, Narayana is only the one who is attained. And all the entire knowledge, whoever attains by reading any number of shastras, the ultimate purpose of that knowledge is Srimannarayana. All the different results, fruits for performing all different activities is Srimannarayana. And the one who is helping us to attain the fruit itself also is Srimannarayana. Ayisudu Anantudu Hari Nayakudu E Bhuvanamulaku Nakunni Kun. That Paramatma Srimannarayana, who is the inner existing power Sarvantaryami, who is the knower of everything, who is the controller of everything. Such Srimannarayana is the one who created me. Oh Narada, only because of that Paramatma's inspiration, now I am doing part of this Srishti Karyam. Oh Narada, it feels like that I am the supreme. That feeling also is given to everyone by Srimannarayana. He is the one, Srimannarayana is the one who is making everyone to feel that I am the supreme. Oh Narada, all the Sattva Gunam, Rajo Gunam, Tamo Gunam, all these gunas are under control of Srimannarayana. He takes those three gunas in order to do Srishti Sthiti Laya, in order to do this entire Srishti Karyam. So he keeps those gunas under his control. He makes the use of those gunas in order to make this entire Srishti Karyam. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma disclosing the glory of Srimannarayana to Narada Maharshi. This conversation of Chaturmukha Brahma and Narada is disclosed by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshit Narendra. This conversation, again conversation between Sri Sukha Yogindra and Parikshit Narendra, is disclosed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Jikhve Kirtaya Kesavam Muraripum चेतो भज श्रीधरं पाणिद्वन्द्व समर्चयाच्युतकथाः श्रोत्रद्वयत्वं शृणु कृष्णं लोकय लोचनद्वय हरेः गच्छाङ्घ्रियुग्मालयं जिघ्रघ्राणमुकुन्दपादतुलसीं मूर्धन्नमाधोक्षजम् कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter 5th श्लोक बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव च अर्जुन तान्यहं वेद सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप। बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव च अर्जुन तान्यहं वेद सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।